That is the biggest ladder I've ever seen. I'm so stinking excited I feel like a kid at Christmas. Yeah, you see how high up you are? I was 3 feet, 4 feet more than that when I fell. I can't believe it's getting done. Woo! Stupid things I do for a video, I tell you. I'm watching you do that, looking through the lens, not even paying attention to what's going to fall on my head. I keep trying to get out of his way. There goes those branches that hang over the front of the house. Yay! Whoa! Mm-hmm. I can't believe those lines they're staying up strong. You alright? Did they fall? Hang on, I'll come over and let me get them. That's crazy. When you're way down here, those branches look so tiny and small. You bring them down here, it's like, holy crap, those are huge. You want me to help you look? Yeah, those are the branches that hang over the front of the house. That's amazing to see those gone. Be careful. Don't hurt yourself. Could you imagine me cutting that? Because that's what I went up to cut in June. That's what I went up there to cut, was those big branches over the roof of the house. Look how huge and heavy they are. I never would have been able to do it. I can see it now. I would have cut it and they fell over the front of the house. I'd have been screwed. Wow, look at the roof is cleared. Oh my God. That's amazing. It's impossible for me to believe. You know, that tree is only 3.5 years old and it got that bad. The first summer I seen that it got to the roof, I was like, oh my God, it was like 3 months. And it was just out of control. There was absolutely nothing I could do to stop it because I was just lopping it off with loppers. It was just a twig. And then Mike died, and 3 years it just got way out of control. That's amazing. Seeing my roof cleared is amazing.
Take down right now because you have to disconnect this wire right here.
Okay.
Drop this one out of the way. Then I'm going to hook the rope up to that tree way up there. And pull it this way and start cutting it. So I got a guided claw. So I can guide right where it's falling down.
Okay. What you gonna do? Yeah, you want me to have him move his car?
No, it's fine with right now.
Okay. Just be careful. There is soft spots over there. Apparently, I have a septic tank back here. Yeah, I've heard. When I moved in, my neighbor Donnie, he told me that was 21 years ago. He said, "You got a septic tank right here," and over the past several years, you can see it sinking in more and more right here in the center. See it right here? That pivot? He said that's where the septic is. You guys, I'm so excited. Look at this. This is a friend from 25 years ago. Yeah, that's real shaky. And he is helping me because of my situation. This is amazing. You want me to yell for him? I can have him move it.
Yeah, if you don't mind, please.
Okay. I'm just going to